Ladies and gentlemen, the world's largest vaccination program is about to begin on the 13th of January. But what India needs right now is a vaccine against this level of politics, a political vaccine, because the fear-mongering in politics over the indigenously developed vaccine needs to stop immediately. India is very close in its victory against COVID-19, and we cannot allow politics and vested interests to compromise our battle. Let's now debate.
इसके रोल आउट से संतुष्ट होकर फिर हमने बड़े पैमाने पर 2 जनवरी को एक ड्राई रन किया, लार्ज स्केल ड्राई रन। तो जिस भी दिन हुआ, जैसे अब आप जानते हैं कि किस दिन हुआ, उस दिन से 10 दिन के भीतर में ये रोल आउट होने की पूरी तैयारी है। धन्यवाद।
Within 10 months of the COVID outbreak in India, Indian scientists and the medical fraternity are ready to script history with a mass rollout of vaccines that have been developed and manufactured in India.
Scientific rigor has been followed and further emphasized by the wording and the decision that has been given in respect of both the vaccines. So we should be very, very proud today. The world has acknowledged the developments in this country and have saluted the achievement of our science and industry enterprise.
The entire nation is proud of the scientists who worked day in and day out to achieve this momentous feat.
भारत के वैज्ञानिकों ने एक नहीं दो मेड इन इंडिया कोविड वैक्सीन विकसित करने में सफलता पाई। भारत में दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा कोविड वैक्सीन प्रोग्राम भी शुरू होने जा रहा है। इसके लिए देश को अपने वैज्ञानिकों के योगदान पर बहुत गर्व है। हर देशवासी आप सभी वैज्ञानिकों का, टेक्नीशियनों का, सबका कृतज्ञ है।
India's vaccine efforts have garnered global praise. WHO chief said India continues to take decisive action and demonstrate its resolve to end COVID-19 pandemic. And Bill Gates tweeted, "It's great to see India's leadership in scientific innovation and vaccine manufacturing capability as the world works to end the COVID-19 pandemic." But back home, Congress is not very happy.
The NDA BJP government has politically misused the COVID-19 pandemic and try and create an absolutely dictatorial situation in this country.
And joining the chorus are Lutyens media publications, raising questions if there are vested interests in running down a vaccine that has been developed and made in India completely. To those trying to fearmonger and demoralize our scientists, here's a message from the vaccine maker.
It hurts. It hurts a scientist who works 24 hours and he gets hurt, bashing by people for the sake of selfishness and for the sake of, to show they are intellectually above others. That's not right. We don't deserve that.
Let's debate.